Hi, I'm Karen, I'm a master gardener, and I'm here with the butternut squash at the Harvest for the Hungry Garden, and they're starting to get really nice and big. You can see these two right here. So a question people have is, how do I tell when my butternut squash is ripe and ready to pick? And there's a couple ways. One is the skin will get tougher and it shouldn't be able to be pierced with your fingernail. So that's one, but really the first way is the colour. Now this one is a little lighter in colour, and you can see this one is starting to be a little bit yellower. So that's a sign that this one's a little riper. And the next thing to look at is the stem. And you can see that the stem on this one and on this one, it's still both green. And that means that they're not ripe and ready to pick yet. The stem will dry out a bit when it's ready to pick. I'll see if I can find one. Another one, still green stem, but starting to turn a little bit. And same. So none of these are ready to pick. Oh, you can see this one has started to dry out some. That's a bit yellower stem. So, and also that one has good yellow colour. So that one's getting ready. Then it would be the time to try the fingernail test and see if the skin can be pierced with the fingernail. If it can, it's not ripe. If the skin is nice and hard, it could be picked.